So for this video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do an oil change, full service oil change to this 2016 Ford Escape. So we already got it set on the lift. I'm going to go ahead and I'm checking the brakes, tire pressures. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at the suspension, see if I see anything that needs to be replaced to let the customer down. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and take down the lower engine splash shield held on by a couple T27s. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take and do the oil drain. Got a 13 millimeter headed bolt to remove to drain the oil out of the drain pan. You can see as I take it out there that it's actually hand tight after the first couple of rotations on that bolt. If it's not, then you have damaged threads or damaged bolt. So go ahead and let that drain out all the way, and while I'm letting that drain, I'm going to go ahead and take care of the oil filter. The oil filter is towards the front side of the engine compartment, tucked up a little bit above some hoses. One thing about Fords in particular, for some reason, is the oil filters always become very, very tight. I don't know why. It's very frustrating, but it always happens. So be prepared to struggle if you try to do this yourself. Now after I let everything drain, I'm going to take a little bit of oil and lubricate the no oil filter O-ring, reinstall the oil filter, and then after that oil filter is reinstalled, I'll go ahead and reinstall the drain plug and get it good and snug. Then I'll come in with some brake clean and clean off all of that excess oil and stuff, get everything nice and clean before I reinstall the engine splash shield. And then after we get the vehicle back on the ground, you're going to fill it with 4.3 quarts of your finest high quality 5W20 Motorcraft synthetic blend oil. Double check all of the other fluids, top off as required, and then we will be ready to start her up. After you shut the vehicle back down, come back out to the front and double check that you have filled it properly. And that's it. It's done.